Here's a look at this Molle handcuff holster right here. It's super durable, very rigid, very strong, durable, sturdy material. No stitching coming loose anywhere around it. I like that a lot. And you got a lot of few different adjustment points. So this has some flexibility right here, which you can tighten and loosen with this right here. So you can tighten all these straps around it for a tighter or looser feel to it. And then also you have this right here, which if you just pull this out, that's how you can loop it around. And then also you can adjust it, well, you can pull this piece out and you can use this piece, slide that through there. So you just have a snap attachment. You can loop it onto your belt or bag, whatever it may be, with this or this hard plastic piece right here. And that just slips in and buttons down just like that. And then this piece of Velcro right here, you can use however you want. You got Velcro right there that it attaches to, and then you can attach it right here if you want to use it that way. So that's basically everything that's going on here. I think you'll be really happy with it. Definitely strong and sturdy and functional with a lot of great adjustability.